Designing outdoor furniture suites and decorative crafts from reclaimed industrial hardwoods and salvaged metal is an act of transformation that bridges the rugged past of construction and manufacturing with the refined elegance of contemporary outdoor living. In many forgotten warehouses, abandoned factories, shipping yards, and dismantled structures, there exist vast quantities of hardwood beams, structural planks, and metal supports that once carried the weight of industry. These materials often appear rough, scarred, and weathered from decades of service, yet beneath their worn surfaces lies a remarkable strength and beauty that modern design can elevate into sophisticated outdoor furniture. By carefully dismantling these industrial remnants and extracting the most resilient hardwood and metal components, makers uncover raw resources capable of forming sleek lounge systems, durable patio furnishings, and striking decorative accents that embody both sustainability and luxury. The process begins with a deliberate act of salvage, where reclaimed hardwoods, often dense species such as oak, maple, or tropical industrial timber, are separated from rusted bolts, aged brackets, and corroded frames. Each beam and plank carries marks of time, nail holes, saw marks, and subtle weathering that reveal its previous life in structural frameworks or shipping platforms. Rather than erasing this history, thoughtful craftsmanship preserves these characteristics while refining the material into forms that feel both authentic and contemporary. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The transformation from industrial debris to elegant outdoor furniture requires patience, technical understanding, and a vision for modern geometry. Weathered hardwood planks must first be cleaned and milled to remove accumulated grime, surface splinters, and structural imperfections while preserving their essential strength. Once planed and sanded, the grain of the wood begins to emerge with remarkable clarity, revealing patterns and tonal richness that new timber often lacks. The metal components undergo a similar revival. Rusted steel brackets, angle iron, and reclaimed structural supports are carefully brushed, stabilized, and sometimes heat-treated to prevent further corrosion while maintaining their industrial texture. These restored metal elements become the skeletal framework for outdoor lounge systems, providing strength and architectural definition to the final design. When paired with the warmth of reclaimed hardwood slats, the contrast between metal and wood creates a powerful visual balance that defines the aesthetic of modern industrial outdoor furniture. As the materials are prepared, the design phase focuses on modularity and spatial harmony, two qualities that elevate reclaimed furniture from simple reuse into refined contemporary craftsmanship. Outdoor spaces today are often flexible environments used for relaxation, social gatherings, and quiet reflection, which means furniture must adapt to different layouts and functions. By transforming rough-hewn hardwood slats into modular seating platforms, low-profile benches, and adaptable lounge chairs, makers create systems that can be rearranged to suit patios, terraces, or garden settings. Each wooden slat is carefully measured and aligned within metal frames to produce clean horizontal lines that evoke minimalist architecture. The geometry becomes deliberate and calm, emphasizing proportion rather than ornamentation. This approach allows the furniture to blend seamlessly into natural surroundings while maintaining a strong visual identity rooted in industrial heritage. The refinement of reclaimed hardwoods into minimalist outdoor furniture also highlights the technical precision required to achieve luxury quality results. Joinery must be meticulously executed to ensure that the furniture remains stable and weather-resistant in outdoor conditions. Stainless fasteners, concealed brackets, and reinforced joints help maintain structural integrity without disrupting the clean aesthetic. Protective finishes, such as natural oils or marine-grade sealants, enhance the wood's durability while enriching its color and grain. Over time, the hardwood may develop a gentle patina that deepens its character rather than degrading its strength. This aging process aligns perfectly with the philosophy of sustainable design, where materials are chosen not only for their beauty, but also for their ability to endure and evolve. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Metal components play an equally important role in shaping the identity of reclaimed outdoor furniture suites. Structural steel frames provide a bold architectural outline that anchors the organic warmth of the wood. When welded and ground with precision, these frames appear almost sculptural, supporting floating wooden surfaces with quiet strength. The visual tension between heavy metal structures and smooth wooden planes gives the furniture a sense of balance that feels both modern and timeless. In some designs, the metal framework extends beyond simple support to become a decorative element itself, forming geometric accents or integrated features such as armrests, footrests, or planter holders. These subtle details transform functional furniture into artistic expressions that celebrate the union of industrial materials and thoughtful design. Beyond seating and lounge systems, reclaimed hardwoods and metals also lend themselves beautifully to complementary outdoor decor crafts. Side tables, lantern frames, storage crates, and garden sculptures can be crafted from leftover slats and metal fragments, ensuring that every piece of salvaged material finds new purpose. Small decorative accents created from these remnants carry the same design language as the larger furniture pieces, creating cohesive outdoor environments that feel curated and intentional. The presence of reclaimed materials introduces a narrative element into the space, reminding users that the furniture once belonged to another world before being reborn as a refined object of design. This storytelling aspect resonates deeply with modern audiences who value authenticity and sustainability in the products they choose. Scaling this approach from a workshop craft to a recognizable luxury brand requires a consistent design philosophy and a commitment to quality. Reclaimed materials naturally vary in texture and color, but maintaining a recognizable aesthetic, clean geometry, balanced proportions, and refined finishes ensures that each piece contributes to a cohesive collection. Over time, a portfolio of outdoor furniture suites, modular seating systems, and decorative accessories can emerge from this process, forming a brand identity centered around sustainable luxury. Customers increasingly seek furniture that reflects both environmental responsibility and distinctive craftsmanship, and reclaimed hardwood and metal designs answer this demand with compelling authenticity. The narrative of transformation from industrial waste to elegant outdoor living adds emotional value that mass-produced furniture rarely achieves. The economic potential of reclaimed outdoor furniture also reinforces its appeal. Industrial hardwoods and structural metals are often available at relatively low cost through demolition projects, salvage yards, or abandoned construction materials. When combined with skilled craftsmanship and thoughtful design, these materials can be transformed into high-value products that command premium prices in the marketplace. A lounge system built from reclaimed hardwood slats and welded steel frames not only offers durability and aesthetic appeal, but also represents a sustainable alternative to newly manufactured furniture. As consumers grow more conscious of environmental impact, they increasingly appreciate products that embody responsible material use and long-term durability. Equally important is the emotional connection that arises when working with reclaimed materials. Every plank and metal beam carries traces of its previous life, and transforming these elements into functional outdoor furniture creates a sense of continuity between past and present. The maker becomes part of that narrative, guiding the material through a process of renewal that culminates in something both useful and beautiful. When the finished furniture is placed in a garden, patio, or rooftop terrace, it becomes more than just seating. It becomes a symbol of thoughtful craftsmanship and creative vision. Guests who encounter such furniture often sense its uniqueness immediately, drawn to the subtle textures and industrial details that distinguish it from conventional designs. Ultimately, designing outdoor furniture suites and decor crafts from reclaimed industrial hardwoods and metal demonstrates how sustainable creativity can redefine luxury. By dismantling weathered structures, extracting hidden resources, and refining them into sleek modular forms, makers prove that the raw strength of salvaged materials can evolve into sophisticated design statements. The rugged character of industrial hardwoods blends seamlessly with the precision of modern metal frameworks, creating furniture that feels both grounded in history and perfectly suited for contemporary living. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.